Good morning everyone. So we are on an urbanisation called Camposol. Lovely sunny area of the Costa Calida. Now we're only 20 minutes from the port of Mathron, where you have several beautiful beaches, and 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport. So this property is in a great location, very easy access to the airport. So let me take you in and we'll have a look around. As you can see, there's walls raised for privacy, new gates, you got pedestrian and an off-road parking, which is absolutely marvellous. Gorgeous blue skies. You just imagine yourself getting the car ready to go down to the beach. We have some beautiful beaches, like I said, down here on the Costa Calida. So we're just going inside. Now there's two steps into the garden itself, and as you can see, there's definitely room for a pool. I'm just going down this end of the garden, and just to give you a feel for the area here. Alright, so this is the plot. So you've got plenty of room here if you wanted to put a pool in. So you got your lounges there and your cover for shade. Down the side you got your shed and your laundry area where you can hang your washing. So let's go inside and have a look around. You have got, it looks like, room for two cars there, quite easy. So I'm going up here up the steps, easy access, and you got a lovely decorative balustrade all the way along. And I'm just up here, and this is a nice shaded area. You've got a lovely table and chairs there, so you can sit here and have your lunch. And there are these, just here, you've got the curtains that you can pull down. So it gives you more shade or privacy. And up the other end, you've got some chairs just to sit and have a coffee and enjoy. Lovely area and lovely outlook. So let me take you inside into the property itself. So I've just come inside the property, and I just wanted to come to the other end of the room to give you a feel for the room and how long it is. So we've got windows on either side of the door here, as you can see. Just above you got ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Believe me, it's lovely and cool in here. So if I come back over here now, I'm going to pan around for you guys, and through the archway there we're going to have a look at the family bedrooms and the family bathroom. So let's come with me. So the first room here is a guest room, as you can see. So you can pass a double bed in here, but they have two single beds in here. You also got your recces and blackout blinds on the windows, as well as your insect screens. Just above there, you have your ceiling light and fan. And if I just come around here and come back, I'll stand back for you. You can have your double wardrobe and your overhead storage there. Okay. So let me take you into the master bedroom. Now this is your master bedroom. You have got aircon, you got a ceiling light and fan, and this room is that big that it fits a super king bed in. So this is how spacious these bedrooms are. You have insect screens on the windows, as well as blackout blinds and recces. Your wardrobe is a double wardrobe with overhead storage. So I've just come down the other end of the room just to show you how much more space you have for more chest of drawers or whatever you need. And they're quite chunky furniture, so you can see how spacious these bedrooms actually are. So let me take you into the family bathroom. So I'm just going over, and we have it all fully tiled in here. You have a sink and pedestal, WC. If I pan around, we have a bidet. We also have a bath with a shower attachment. You've also got your frosted glass window, and just above there you have an overhead heater. You've also got a standard light above. So let me take you in and around, and we'll go back through the living space. And just here is your dining area. So as you can see, your dining area fits a table with 4 chairs, and it is an extended table, so you can get a table with 6 to 8 chairs in these dining rooms. I have seen them before. Some lovely shelves there as well. And you have this area. Now some places take this out, or you could just put 2 bar stools there and extend that to have a breakfast bar if you want it. Now this is your kitchen. We're just going to shut the door for you for a moment. So in your kitchen you have plenty of top and base units. You have got a washing machine, you've got electric hob and electric oven, and you've got your fridge freezer there. Plenty of worktop space as well. And you have a nice solid door on there. Now I have seen in some areas, in some houses, where they take this bar out, they put a window where the door is, and they will put patio doors out into the garden. And then you can bring your kitchen around, which gives it more space if you're looking for a slightly more open plan feel to your kitchen. So let's carry on. So let's go outside. Now you've got a wreckers here. Now this is just your back space here. You have a gas boiler just there. And you have off-roading. Now the car is here. Now I didn't see that when I came into the property first. So I said there's enough room for 2 cars. Well, in fact, there's enough for 3 cars in this property. You could even put a car and a camper van in here. And just there is your shed, because you'd have your pool to the front of the house. So let's go upstairs, guys, and have a look at the rooftop solarium. So I've just come up here, and it's nicely done. And the roof looks as if it's been sealed. Got some beautiful views surrounding here, all around the place. So we have a good size terrace here, a really good size terrace where you could put some false grass, you could put lounges, you could put a hot tub up here, and little bar, whatever you wanted, and still have your main pool downstairs. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the top from up here. I can't with the roof really, but down there is plenty of room for a pool, very easily. So let me take you back down. Now I'm going to take you downstairs and we'll walk around the other area, because the other side of the property, you know, there is room for a large car. Got a water point there and a shed. And you have got an underbuild there, but that would be just for storage. So we're walking around to the side of the property now. Sorry about the stones under my feet. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's amazing, isn't it? So you've got plenty of room, ample room for a fabulous pool to the front of the property. And that's what it's all about, sitting on the terrace, looking over the pool. That's if you want it. Not everyone wants a pool. And at the side of the property, you have this very large off-road parking. At first, I was saying it's enough room for 2 cars. But in fact, when I came through the property and out the back, I did notice there was a car in the back of the house. So you can fit 3 cars or a camper and 1 large car in here, which is great. So we are on the Costa Calida, like I said, several beaches and the airport nearby, so great location. So if you're interested in the property, I will leave the reference number of this villa in the title of the video, okay? And I will also leave the details of the agent, including a WhatsApp number. So if you want to get in quick, just WhatsApp the girls for viewing or whatever. So until the next time, take care. Please do subscribe and share on your social media, because somebody out there would love this villa. Take care. Bye bye.